In this video, you'll learn how to create a countdown timer in After Effects using one simple expression, and I'll explain how it works step by step so it doesn't feel confusing. For YouTube, use 1920 by 1080, then click OK. Now let's create a solid layer. Right-click in the timeline and choose New, Solid, or press Ctrl+Y. Name the layer BG. I'm using this color for the background. If you want the same look, just use these values. Then click OK. Select the text tool or press Ctrl+T. Click inside the composition and type 0. I'm using Poppins Bold with a size of 320 pixels. You can use any font you like, but this gives a clean and bold look. This will be our countdown display. To center it quickly, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Home. Make sure the text layer is selected. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Slider Control. Double-click the effect to apply it to the selected layer. This slider will control the total number of seconds. Open the text layer. Go to Text, Source Text. Hold Alt and click the stopwatch next to Source Text. Paste this expression. The full expression is available in the description if you want to copy it directly. The slider represents the total number of seconds. If the slider is set to 75, that means 75 seconds. To display it correctly, we split it into minutes and seconds. This line calculates the minutes. This line keeps the remaining seconds. The percent symbol gives the remainder after division. The add zero function ensures everything stays 2 digits like 0105. Move to the beginning of the timeline. Set the slider to 60 and create a keyframe. Move to the end of the timeline. Set the slider to 0. Press play. Now you have a working countdown timer. To make it look more polished, let's add a glow effect. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and type glow. Make sure the text layer is selected, then double-click glow to apply it. Go to the Effect Controls panel, select the glow effect and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Now you have 2 glow effects applied, which makes the text brighter and more intense. You can adjust the glow radius and glow intensity to get the look you want. Understanding setups like this makes it much easier to build more advanced animations later. If you want your animations to feel smoother and more professional, understanding keyframes is just as important as expressions. I have a beginner video where I explain keyframes step by step. Watch that next.